In this video, I'll show you how to fix Phantom Wallet failed to authenticate. If you see a failed to authenticate message in Phantom Wallet, it usually means the app or extension could not verify your login, biometric approval, password, device session, or wallet connection request. This can happen because of a temporary app issue, outdated software, browser conflict, or device security setting. First, close Phantom completely and open it again. On mobile, swipe the app away from your recent apps, then relaunch it. On desktop, close your browser and reopen it. Next, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or connect to a more stable network. A weak connection can sometimes prevent Phantom from completing authentication. Now check for updates. If you are using mobile, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and update Phantom. If you are using the browser extension, update your browser and make sure the Phantom extension is also updated. If the issue happens with Face ID, Touch ID, or fingerprint login, try entering your password manually. If manual login works, go into Phantom settings, disable biometric login, then enable it again. You can also check your phone settings to make sure Phantom has permission to use biometrics. If the error happens while connecting to a website, disconnect and reconnect. Open Phantom, go to Connected Apps, remove the website, refresh the page, and try again. If you are using a browser, temporarily disable other wallet extensions because they may interfere with connection requests. As a final option, you can reinstall Phantom and restore your wallet using your recovery phrase. Only do this if you are completely sure you have the correct recovery phrase saved safely offline. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.